Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you went there? Or struggled to remember someone's name, even though you just heard it? If you're over 60, it's easy to assume that's just aging. But what if one of the simplest, safest, least expensive supplements could actually support your memory, clarity, and long-term brain health? It's not a fancy brain pill. It's creatine, and new research is showing surprising benefits for older adults. Stay with me for 2 minutes, and I'll explain why it works, what the studies say, and how to get started safely. And at the end, I'll give you a free checklist to make it even easier. Why seniors need creatine for brain health. Most people think creatine is only for muscles, but your brain stores it too. And after 60, those levels drop. Creatine fuels your brain's ATP, which is the energy you use every time you think, focus, form a memory, or solve problems. As we age, our ATP production slows, mental fatigue increases, and memory formation becomes less efficient. Creatine acts like a backup generator, helping your brain restore energy more quickly so you can think more clearly and stay mentally sharp. What the research shows. Study number 1, memory and recall. A study in psychopharmacology found creatine improved short-term memory, mental processing speed, and recall under stress. Effects were strongest in adults over 60. Study number 2, mental fatigue. Creatine reduced mental fatigue in older adults performing focus-heavy tasks. Study number 3, cognitive protection. Early research shows creatine may support mitochondrial function, cellular resilience, and neuroprotective pathways, meaning it may help your brain age more gracefully. And here's what's even more interesting. Older adults tend to get bigger cognitive benefits than younger people because their natural creatine stores are lower. How to use creatine for brain health. Daily dose, 3 grams per day, the dose used in most cognitive studies. Timing, with breakfast or lunch, mixed in water, tea, or coffee. Type, creatine monohydrate. Avoid liquids or special blends. When you'll notice effects. Most seniors feel a difference in 2 to 4 weeks. Safety notes. Creatine is extremely well researched and safe for healthy older adults, but if you have kidney disease, talk to your doctor first. Drink water, especially when starting. Quick real results. Here's what seniors often report. Less fog, more clarity. Better recall for names and conversations. More mental energy in the afternoon. Easier time focusing on reading or tasks. These improvements match exactly what the research suggests. Let's recap. Creatine may help support memory, focus, mental energy, long-term brain aging resilience. And it's simple, safe, and inexpensive. I created a free downloadable checklist to help you start safely. Creatine for Cognitive Health, the Senior Starter Guide. Inside you'll get dosage, timing, a 4-week plan, safety notes, a tracking sheet to measure improvements. Download it using the link in the description. Before you go, comment below. What's your #1 cognitive health goal this year? Less brain fog, better memory, or more mental energy? Subscribe for more senior-focused health videos. Let's stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.